Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy images from view-only Google Docs on Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So you've been given access to a Google Doc on Google Drive, but it's view-only, meaning you can't make a copy, you can't download it, you can't print it, you can't email it, and you can't copy images from the file. But there is a really quick and easy way to get around this, without having to download any extra files. So the first step is you want to open up the view-only Google Doc. And once you've opened it up, you want to go to the URL bar, and where you see /edit then some other characters, I want you to drag and select everything after the slash. Then delete it. Then type in mobilebasic. And then press the enter key. And this opens up a mobilebasic version of your view-only Google Doc. And as you can see, we have the images here that we want to download. However, if we right-click on them, we still don't get the option to copy them. And we could take a screenshot, and that is a valid solution. But we don't want to do that, we want to actually download each image as it is. And we can do that. So we need to press F12 on our keyboards. If pressing F12 on your keyboard did nothing, there is another thing you can do. Go up to the three dots up here, click on it, then go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And this will open up the same menu. Now, I want you to go to the Network tab. If you don't see it, click on the More Tabs button, and Network will be in the drop-down menu here. But click on Network. And I recommend you drag out this menu a bit, because it will make the next step a bit easier. I then want you to press F5 on your keyboard, or the refresh button, to reload the web page. When doing this, you're going to notice some entries in this little table here. And you want to go to the mobilebasic one. Then you're going to want to click on Preview. And if you scroll down a bit, you're going to notice there are some images. However, they haven't loaded. But what you can do is you can right click on one of the images and then click on Open in New Tab. That's the exact image from the document. If I do so with the others, you'll notice it's the exact same image. And we'll do it with the final one. It's the same image. So now what we can do is we can right click on the image and click on Copy to copy the image. Or we can right click and click on Save As. And then we can save the image as a JPEG. Or we can go to All Files, give it a name of Quagsire, let's say, then do .png at the end, and we'll download it as a PNG. And as you can see, we downloaded the view-only image from Google Drive. And like I said before, we can right click and click on Copy. We can then make a new Google Doc. We can right click and click on Paste, and now we've copy and pasted it from the view-only Google Doc on Google Drive. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.